Meaning of handmade.
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 Handmade. Handmade refers to something that has been made using only the hands, and perhaps a few simple tools, rather than by machine or mass production methods. Typically, handmade items are unique and individual, with slight variations between each item due to their handmade nature. This can include anything from clothing and jewelry to home decor and food items. Choosing handmade products can often mean supporting small businesses or independent artisans, as well as enjoying the unique character and quality of items that have been crafted with care and attention to detail.